Today, Tuesday, in this month of September, I am just not more than 1 minute ago from receiving this email through my Facebook forum purportedly from Marafa Hamidou Yaya. Yes, and I have just read it, and it speaks to the issues of the times, and it speaks to a tomorrow that may be better. But the today is just like the 3 a.m. thickest of the night, and we must have to pass through before we reach that future that all of us desire. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Patrick Siane from very Kumba. I came here to my internet chat room just to be able to send you some message. But then, Marafat Hamidou Yaya sends me one. If at all, it is him that I've just got on Facebook talking about the final judgment coming out in 3 days at the Yaoundé High Court. And he is not here even summoning people to present themselves to Yaoundé like last time. He is saying that we should see what may be transpiring in 3 days' time as maybe the bell that may be announcing the death of an uncaring dictatorship, and for a bright tomorrow for a Cameroon that will be more integrating and will be more equal in partitioning its resources. Donc, mesdames, messieurs, je viens d'avoir là un message de Marafa Hamidou Yaya qui parle de son jugement qui passe dans 3 jours à Yaoundé. Et ce qui me surprend, c'est que cette fois-ci, il ne demande même pas que la foule vienne. Il apprécie les efforts intérieurs de la foule. Mais il demande qu'on garde l'optimisme, qu'on se brave pour un moment qui sera difficile et pour un lendemain qui serait meilleur au Cameroun. Mais il ne passe pas sans souligner très clairement cette dictature que nous vécuons, selon Paul Bimbondobia, qui ma foi vient de rentrer d'où on sait et qui prétend vouloir aller au nord, maintenant montrer entre guillemets sa compatie pour ce qui s'est passé là-bas dans l'inondation. C'est comme ça gérer un pays. C'est de quoi aussi que Marafa dit non, ce n'est pas comme ça gérer un pays. Hein? Donner des espoirs à la place de l'espoir. So this is Patrick talking from his hometown this evening on a Tuesday night in this month of September, when students have returned to school to look for a destiny that the dictatorial, lack of future-looking regime in Yaoundé wants to make bleak to every Cameroonian which doesn't think along the lines of Cameroon people's democratic nonsense. Marafa Hamidou Yaya, take it easy. I reply to you, doing my best to propagate the news of a brighter tomorrow for Cameroon. Peace, work, fatherland.